Creating your career. Hi everyone, I am Sandeepan De, career coach and author of career management books. How to get job after college and mastering the art of the interview. Personal transformation is, in my opinion, one of the great ideas. In difficult situations, however, thinking occurs to work well, and choosing a career path is one of the most difficult issues you will face in the future. When it comes to planning their careers, graduates and students don't always face this issue. You are aware that many consider changing careers around the age of 30. People are considering shifting occupations at 40-some. Additionally, some people consider an encore career when they are in their 50s or 60s. Everyone is curious about your career aspirations. Maybe your life is creative and enjoyable and you never grow up, therefore it's a question that will always be there. However, it causes worry, especially in a certain way. That's when you are at your senior year, right before you decide to transition. You know, there was a significant change from when you were in college to when you realized you were no longer a student. This is known as the decision explosion. Up until that point, getting into a reputable institution just required working hard in high school. You've cleared every obstacle, you realize. Oh my God, what should I do now, is how it feels. It's a classically nasty problem if you think about it. There isn't much information available concerning your future. You are unsure of what you want to accomplish. The idea that you should pursue your passion is, in my opinion, one of the most harmful concepts that people discuss since, according to research, less than 20% of people, college students included, really understand what their passion is and how to pursue it. The majority of people, in my experience, discover their passion through work and occasionally they decide to pursue that vocation. As a result, college students are aware of the abundance of abnormal beliefs, as psychologists refer to them. After graduating from college, many mistakenly think that their career path will dictate what they do for the rest of their life. Less than 20% of the population is engaged in any meaningful activity with their career in the workplace. They think that there is only one option available to them, and that option will determine their course in life forever. This generation will likely have 3 distinct careers, at least 2. Since this may be the first generation to work for 70 years after graduating from college. As a result, the course on creating your career kind of jumps right in. Look, it doesn't matter where you are, you know, wherever you are here, and we are unable to travel to your future from here because that is not conceivable. I can accomplish what I refer to as wayfinding, where your future lies. I am capable of managing prototypes, as you are aware. An internship is a prototype. The prototype is to spend a day in your profession's shoes and determine whether you want to be a lawyer or doctor. Living in the environment of those who pursue their passions is what it means to feel you should undertake. It involves residing in the world of those who pursue the same goals as you. The day has an impact as a result. It's amazing that still utilizing all of these strategies for the one day you get. It appears to you that you will live the life you desire. It can produce a lot. I get asked to show people how to do this all the time. Creating your career technique, then, is effective when you are faced with these kinds of unclear, fuzzy difficulties, like figuring out how to choose a career path is one of the most difficult issues you will face in the future. I am hoping for the best for you while you search for your ideal employment. We appreciate your time. Thank you for viewing. And never forget to take action if you want to change your future. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you about your career, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the like button. Thanks again for watching.